Achieving perfectly creamy mashed potatoes begins with choosing the right potato variety. Russets are ideal for a light, fluffy texture, while Yukon Golds offer a creamier, buttery flavor. Combining both types creates the perfect balance. For a rustic touch, leave the skins on, especially with Yukon Golds. Next, peel and cut the potatoes into uniform 2-inch chunks. Smaller pieces cook faster but may absorb more water, so consistent size ensures even cooking. To cook, start with cold, salted water, 1 tablespoon salt per quart, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until fork tender, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Drain and steam dry for 2 to 3 minutes to remove excess moisture. For the best texture, use a potato ricer or food mill to mash, as these tools minimize starch release and create a smooth, creamy mash. Avoid food processors, as they can make the mash gluey. If you prefer a rustic mash, use a masher or fork instead. Warm butter and cream blend smoothly into the potatoes. Start with a 1-to-1 ratio, i.e., half cup each for 2 pounds of potatoes, adjusting for creaminess. You can warm cream with herbs or garlic for extra flavor. Gradually fold in the warm butter and cream, seasoning with salt and pepper. Avoid over-mixing to preserve fluffiness. Serve immediately for the best texture, or keep warm over simmering water or in a slow cooker. If reheating, add cream or milk to restore the creamy texture. To enhance flavor, try adding roasted garlic, herbs, or a touch of truffle oil. Pair with roasted meats, sautéed vegetables, or gravies for a full meal. A mash made in heaven.